In this video, I'm going to demonstrate Donation Kiosk and show its benefits using a Clover Flex device. So to get started, we're going to open Donation Kiosk, and the first thing that it's going to ask us to do is to set it up. And by setting it up is we're creating the donation reasons, donation amounts, and also the ability to enable the customer to enter their own donation amount. So the features of Donation Kiosk is to enable merchants to ask for donations, right? So those are the features. And let's go ahead and add a couple of different donations here, so for the demo purpose. All right, so for instance, we've added one, homeless shelter fund. So it shows up here. Let's add a few more. All right, so as I mentioned, one of the features is to let the customer to enter the donation amount themselves rather than the merchant specifying the amount. And so we've done that. Here are the three donation amounts that we can ask for. And so basically it's set up. Now, to get started, we're going to click on Start. And another feature is that it can go into a semi-self-serve mode, meaning that you can hand the device over to the customer, because once it's in that mode, it cannot be exited out of it, and the merchant and the customer cannot get inside the Clover Flex device, and so it's protected that way. And you can see that whatever options that we have defined are the options that are available here. And the only thing the customer can do is choose one of these options to make a donation. And so let's see how that works. So I'm going to use my credit card for the demo purposes on this test device, but let's go ahead and choose this option. And you can see that it just basically goes to a normal payment processing screen for Clover. So I'm going to go ahead and stick my Amex card here and try to hide the numbers from the screen. And so it also has the feature of printing the receipts for the merchant, so for the merchant part, it prints it automatically. And then for the receipt for the customer is something that the customer is prompted for, and they can say yes, and then the receipt is printed for them as well. It provides the information about the donation that they have made. And then it just goes back to that screen again. Now, the feature that allows us to exit out of it is similar to on all the full screen functions. So we have to touch all four corners of the screen to exit out of that mode. And that's Donation Kiosk.